Chapter Health and Disease. Question number 1. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Option A, malaria. Option B, influenza. Option C, diphtheria. Option D, typhoid. Answer to this question is option B, influenza. Question number 2. Hormonal deficiency disease is or are option A, diabetes. Option B, myxedema. Option C, centrinism. Option D, all of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 3. The causative agent of tuberculosis is option A, salmonella. Option B, pneumococcus. Option C, streptomyces. Option D, mycobacteria. Answer to the causative agent of tuberculosis is option B, mycobacteria. Question number 4. Vector for Kala-Azar disease is option A, sandfly. Option B, housefly. Option C, loose. Option D, bedbug. Answer is sandfly. Now, why sandfly? Kala-Azar is caused by a protozoan called as Leishmania. It's a protozoan called as Leishmania donovani. And it is transmitted by sandfly Phlebotomus. So, a protozoan Leishmania donovani causes Kala-Azar and it is transmitted by a sandfly called as Phlebotomus. So, answer is sandfly. Question number 4. Lymphatic filariasis causes elephantiasis when the filarial nematode is locked in. Option A, lymphatic system. Option B, digestive system. Option C, nervous system. Option D, circular system. Answer is lymphatic system. When lymphatic system is locked in, lymphatic filariasis causes elephantiasis when the filarial nematode. Question 6. Infection of Ascariasis usually occurs by option A, imperfectly cooked pork. Option B, TSE fly. Option C, mosquito bite. Option D, contaminated water and vegetable. Answer is contaminated water and vegetable causes infection of Ascariasis. Next question. Which diagnostic test is used in diagnosis of Ascariasis? Option A, stool test. Option B, dermal test. Option C, scratch test. Option D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. You have to do stool test as well as dermal test and scratch test to have a diagnosis of Ascariasis. Question. Vidal test is used for susceptibility of option A, malaria. Option B, cholera. Option C, yellow fever. And option D, typhoid. Answer is option D, typhoid. Next question. The pathogen of amoebiasis secretes enzyme which causes ulceration and acute diarrhea. Option A, hemolysin. Option B, proteolysin. Option C, cytolysin. Option D, hydrolysin. Answer is option C, cytolysin. Next question. Immunology is the science which deals with study of immune system. Option A, immune system. Option B, immune responses to foreign substances. Option C, role of immune system in resisting infection. Option D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. It deals with study of immune system as well as immune responses to foreign substances and role of immune system in resisting infection. Next question. The epithelial lining of respiratory tract acts as option A, inflammatory barrier. Option B, phagocytic barrier. Option C, anatomical barrier. Option D, physiological barrier. Answer is option C, anatomical barrier. The epithelial lining of the respiratory tract helps in trapping microbes entering the body. So the epithelial lining helps in trapping microbes entering the body, thus acting as anatomical barriers. Next question. Lysozyme that is present in perspiration, saliva and tears destroys. Option A, most virus infected. Option B, certain fungi. Option C, certain types of bacteria. Option D, all viruses. Answer is certain types of bacteria. Lysozyme breaks down the peptidoglycan. Breaks down the peptidoglycan present in the bacterial cell wall, thereby causing lysis of the bacterial cell. So it is certain types of bacteria. Next question, an insect bite may result in inflammation of that spot. This is triggered by the alarm chemicals such as option A, histamine and dopamine, option B, histamine and kinesis, option C, interferons and opsinin, option D, interferons and histones. Answer is option B, histamine and kinesis. Next question, ability of the body to defend itself against microbial pathogens, toxins and transplanted tissues is called option A, acquired immunity, option B, innate immunity, option C, specific immunity, option D, both A and C. Answer is both A and C. It is called acquired immunity as well as specific immunity. Next question, formation of antibodies within our body is called option A, active immunity, option B, passive immunity, option C, innate immunity, option D, acquired immunity. Answer is active immunity. Next question, passive immunity can be obtained by injecting option A, antibodies, option B, antigens, option C, antibiotics, option D, vaccination. Answer is option A, antibodies. Antibodies, when injected, passive immunity can be obtained. Next question, a person is injected with globulins against hepatitis. It is option A, naturally acquired active immunity, option B, naturally acquired passive immunity, option C, artificially acquired passive immunity, option D, artificially acquired active immunity. Answer is option D, artificially acquired active immunity. Next question, the treatment of snake bite by antivenom is an example of option A, specific natural immunity, option B, naturally acquired passive immunity, option C, artificially acquired passive immunity, option D, artificially acquired active immunity. Answer is artificially acquired passive immunity is an example of the treatment of snake bite by antivenom. Next question, killer T cells bind to infected cells and secrete A, lysozyme, option B, lymphokines, option C, perforins, option D, histamines. Answer is option C, perforins. Next question, which cells of immune system cause formation of pores in the plasma membrane? Option A, B cells, option B, killer T cells, option C, helper T cells, option D, suppressor T cells. Answer is option B, killer T cells. Killer T cells secrete perforin which causes formation of pores. It secretes perforins which cause formation of pores. Next question, antigen binding site in an antibody is found between option A, 2 light chains, option B, 2 heavy chains, option C, 1 heavy and 1 light chain, option D, either between 2 light chains or between 1 heavy, 1 light chain. Answer is option C, 1 heavy and 1 light chain. Next question, the region holding the arm and stem of antibody is called as option A, isotopes, option B, paratopes, option C, mesotopes and option D, hinge. Answer is hinge, the region holding the arm and the stem. This is an arm and there is a stem here. This region is called as a hinge. Next question, the type of immunoglobulin present in the colostrum secreted by mammary gland is option A, IgA, option B, IgG, option C, IgD, option D, IgE. Answer is option A, IgA. Next question, the type of immunoglobulin whose function makes antigen recognition possible by B cells may be option A IgA, option B IgD, option C IgE, option D IgG. Answer is option B IgD. Next question. Most of the plant derived allergies in man are caused by option A seeds, option B leaves, option C pollens and option D root hairs. Answer is option C pollens. Most of the plant derived allergies in man are caused due to the pollens. Next question. Anaphylactic shock is due to option A allergic reactions, option B secretion of toxins, option C secretion of histamines, option D all of the above. Answer is option A allergic reactions. Allergic reaction is an anaphylactic shock is due to the allergic reactions. Next question. Spread of cancerous cells to distant sites is termed as A. Metastasis, option B. Oncogenes, option C. Proto-oncogenes, option D. Malignant neoplasm. Answer is option A. Metastasis. Next question. Benign tumor is the one which option A shows metastasis, option B differentiated and capsulated, option C undifferentiated and non-capsulated, option D differentiated and non-capsulated. Answer is option B differentiated and capsulated. Next question. The symptoms of cancer include option A change in bowel or bladder habit, option B unusual bleeding or discharge, option C thickening of mass in the breast or other body parts, option D all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Symptoms of cancer includes all of these, that is change in bowel or bladder habit, unusual bleeding or discharge and thickening of mass in the breast or other body parts. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of radiation therapy? Option A X-rays, option B cobalt-60, option C radium, option D triethylene. Answer is triethylene. Which of the following is not a part of radiation? X-rays are a part of radiation, radium is also a part of radiation, cobalt-60 is also a part of radiation. So triethylene is not a part of radiation. Next question. AIDS causes option A destruction of killer T cells, option B destruction of helper T cells, option C lack of interferons, option D autoimmunity. Answer is option B destruction of helper T cells. Next question. Vaccination protects a person from disease because it option A helps in better digestion, option B increases RBC count, option C stimulates production of antibodies, option D improves healing system. Answer is option C stimulates production of antibodies. Vaccination protects person from disease because answer is stimulates production of antibodies.